Hello wonderful learners, Jim from Grassroots Piano. We are going to be working on these chords, A minor now to E minor. Just getting the hand shapes, getting the chord in your ear to F major right here. We're just listening to the sound, we're not really thinking of any time yet. To G major. And now I'm going to play them broken through each hand, only up, now to E minor. To F, and I am playing slow, warming up, and slow and soft. Listening to each hand. And now I am going to go from the fifth of the chord, descending. I'll slow it down. Try to anticipate the next chord. I'll do it again. A minor, E minor, to F, G, and if you're ready you can pedal on each bar. The next one's going to be a bit difficult, more of a challenge. I'm going to go up, and cross over, and then E minor, 2, to F, 1, 4, to G, if you're ready, you can practice that again a little faster, but now I'm going to go up higher. I'm going to go about 3.5 octaves, and I'll demonstrate super slow. It's a good way to warm up. Right hand under, back down, over. That was an over under. E minor, 1, 4, 1, 1. Get ready for over, under, F, G. After this, go a little faster. If you want, you can play with me. I'll give a quick tip. When you get faster, what you can do might work for you. So that's the goal. A little faster means just that. One thing I would suggest is think about your target point. Make sure you can get there nice and easily. Okay? Just practice that motion, especially if you're new at it. Good, we'll try that tempo. When we're way up here, pinky's working twice, and I'm even leaning my body a little bit, so I'm centered with the piano. Alright, before we try it faster, if you're getting value out of my content, it would mean the world to me if you could just hit that like button. It would go and reach other awesome learners like you. So let's try this tempo. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, here I go. Play with me if you like. 1, 2, 3, go, 2, 3. E. F. G, Alright, let me know how you did. If the crossover and the under is too tricky, just break it down really slow. You'll get there. Be patient. and then even practice out of time, especially if you haven't done this kind of movement before. And just small increments, practice in small increments will go a long way. Until next time, bye for now. That's why we use benches. Here I go. I changed it. That's all right though. We'll keep that in there. Maybe not.